Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to do this creative little heart-filled look. Sorry, my hair's in the way. I'm going to show you how to do these little hearts. Got the glossy lip, and I also have a little announcement at the end, so stay tuned for that to see how you can save some coin. And yeah, let's get started. Super quick, super easy too, very easy, flirty, fun Valentine's look. So I hope you enjoy. Keep watching. Okay, so first I'm starting off with the Morphe Prep and Set eye base. I'm gonna just put this all over my lid, and I'm using this because I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette. That is just the most amazing palette I own. And I'm gonna be using the colors Skip and You're Kidding, and just blend, 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 and just going back and forth until I get a very seamless blend.
Smoking weed out the container. Spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me, we making arrangements. Is it out here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking all this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, he's on me. Yeah, drinks are on me.
So right here I'm taking all of the purple shades, excluding the shimmery one, and putting it all over my lid because we're gonna cut the crease. Just want to add this for some depth. So right here I'm taking my NYX Lingerie eye base shade in white, and I'm just cutting the crease however I'd like. I do usually a half cut crease, and I'm pulling it up as far as I can to make the illusion that I have a bigger eye.
So complicated. Off the drink, we concentrated.
So for this step, I'm taking the lightest purple shade and blending that on the outer part of the cut crease so that it's not just an abrupt stop to the cut crease.
There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you.
Right here you can't really see it, but I'm applying the Steel of Magnificent Metals glitter, and this is kind of like the more golden one. I didn't realize it was that golden, so I went back in with the white one to brighten up the inner corner and blend it out into that golden color. So now time to get into the creative part. I'm going to take my Rose.Bud.Beauty Hydra FX liners in Scrunchy and Space Panda, and you just add some water to activate it, and the color is just so amazing. The payoff is incredible. I love these for all my creative looks. And we're just going to create some hearts with these little detailer brushes I got from Rose.Bud.Beauty as well.
Concentrated. No, you won't leave me hanging. Smoke weed out the container. Spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying.
So this part's pretty basic. I took the shade Space Panda and just outlined my crease to brighten it all up, and it seriously made a huge difference. And don't worry about the hearts because we're gonna come right back to those. Right here, this step is super basic as well. I'm just taking scrunchie and making some eyeliner. Finally, time to make these hearts come alive, and I'm outlining them using my Stila liquid eyeliner. It's a felt tip, and it got really precise. And I kind of cut most of it out because it was really hard to get an angle, but there it is. They're super outlined, and I dried everything off. And then I'm just putting mascara on. I used my Maybelline Snapscara. I love this. So there are the eyes completed. So right here I'm taking my rose hip oil and I'm just putting that all over my face just so I can be moisturized throughout the day. And then for foundation, I'm using right here the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. And I know what you guys are thinking, it is not this dark. It looked a lot better in person, and I also mix it with my Maybelline Superstay in the shade Porcelain and Natural Ivory, I believe. So yeah, I don't look orange, it only does on camera. So right here I'm just taking a normal beauty blender and just pouncing it all in because I hate getting brush strokes. I love using the brushes, but this just sets everything in place when I go over it with the beauty blender. And then after this, I'm just setting my entire face with Maybelline Fit Me powder. So right here, pretty simple, just gonna contour my face with the Hoola bronzer, and then after this I'm gonna go in with some blush to brighten up my face. So here's the blush I'm using. It's the Ofra blush palette. I got this when I went to school and I went too heavy on the blush. So I just made it work, blended it out as much as I could, but it kind of worked for this look, you know, super flushed Valentine's look. Totally forgot about my eyes. I'm just putting a pink under there. And then I just move on to my brows after, and I use the black shade from James Charles palette, Spooky, and I just draw on my brows. Last but not least, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit and Gleam Glow Kit. And I just mix and get the perfect highlight ever. Of course, I almost forgot the lips. I used this red lip liner from Ofra that I got from school as well, so I'm not really sure of the shade. But I also used a Sephora red lipstick to go over that. And then for my gloss, I used a Forever 21 gloss. So this is a Valentine's look. I hope you guys like it. I think it's cute, fun, flirty, whatever. But I also have an announcement. So I received these from VINTYLE, and they're super cute. I think it'll just complete the look. They're like a sheer pink, and we're just gonna sit right here, take some photos in them, but they're so cute. Pink, go with the whole like aesthetic going on. I wish you guys could see them without the glare, but they're super high quality for sure. You can wear them like this, like hey boys, riding in my convertible with the roof down. Kind of gives me that don't talk to me, don't touch me, like that girl from Drake and Josh where she's like, don't touch me, I'm famous. So yeah, that gives me sort of those vibes. They're like super like not thick, like they're nice and thin and like lightweight, but they're kind of like heavy, so they give you like that luxury feel, and they're really fitting to the face. Like it's so snug on your face. You can just like sit back, pose, like do that type of thing. And it also came with a cleaner that has the little logo on it, and then like I showed you guys, the case. These ones, I forgot what they're called, but I will link them down below. But yeah, you can also go to their website and get 25% off if you use my code. My code is Rose.Bud.Beauty. Cute little code, you know, because my Instagram is Rose.Bud.Beauty, and so is my YouTube. So if you ever want to check me out anywhere else and see this look on Instagram with the glasses, you can go check it out there. You can go check out their Instagram. Super cool, super cute, like super cute style. But yeah, if you guys want to go check those out, get yourself a little pair. That'd be cute. You guys can tag me, tag the team, you know, the whole shebang. But yeah, I'll keep my little code link down below, like where you can go find them. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.